Come test drive this 2013 BMW X5. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. BMW prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, front dual-zone air conditioning, a power rear cargo door, and seat memory. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.